How's it going, guys? It's John Boy. Welcome back to the channel. I have a huge surprise for not just myself, but for you guys watching this video. I got air suspension. I went with Bag Riders Super Low. I am super excited. In this video, I will be showing you guys pretty much like an unboxing. So we're just gonna jump straight into the bags first. So what we have here are, oh my goodness. I know I've already looked at these, but dude, these things are nasty. Nasty. Let's get that out of the freaking way. These are beautiful. Let's take a look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna be low, boys. Super excited. Man. They even give you like a sticker right here saying that the pressure was tested and everything. Man, but the build on these are beautiful. Dude, they killed it, man. They even have like Subaru BRZ front right, and then probably on the other ones, same sticker, but obviously front left, back right. But dude, these are beautiful. They've killed it. They absolutely killed it with these. Yeah. And then also in the box, there is your accessories for everything that you need with the struts. Which is what's really nice is you get these steel braided lines, and what I think is really freaking dope is they're black. I'm kind of like I like everything to be all blacked out, so that's pretty dope. And then it comes with all the proper fittings that you need for the lines, and then also a tool for the struts. So yeah. And then on to the next thing. So you guys saw these. So let's get into the tank. I have the tank down here. So let's put to the side. Oh my goodness. Undo this. A little bit of tape. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So this, all the ports are on the side. And then, dude, chrome. Yeah, but dude, absolutely beautiful. So with the Bag Riders, my air management, I guess I should be saying, is airlift with, and then the system, which I will show you guys the box, the unboxing of that. But I went with the 3P system. So I'll show you guys that too. But this tank is outstanding. Again, Bag Riders, you guys killed it. Alright, now on to the next boxes. So like I said earlier, I went with the 3P system. And let me show you what it comes with. So this is your controller that will be inside the car with you. There's just like tools in here to cut your air lines so that you are cutting them properly. And then I believe this is like the manifold. Yes, it is. And this is like the brains of everything right there. I really like this. This is really nice. But yeah, all the hoses go in here and everything. Now for the final box. Yes, I already did open this all up, and I already have the wire harness already in the trunk and everything, so I already did that part.
We got this right here, it's the wires.
Those are not wires, those are the airlines.
Those are the wires. What else we got going on here? Oh, these. You need these to do the airlift system. These are the nuts and bolts. Always need nuts and bolts. What else we got? Some more nuts and bolts. Lots of those. Peace.
She's a character. Alright, so that was her version of her explaining everything for you. So that's gonna be it. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so of course these are the airlines. And then it also comes with this goodie bag here, which is really cool. Appreciate you, bag riders. So, license plate holder. Stickers are in here. And then there is a t-shirt. I've literally already worn the t-shirt probably like 3 or 4 times. Comfy, no complaints, perfect fit. And then here you have your water trap. And then what's really cool with bag riders is when you get a kit, when you are online picking out the kit that you want, you're not picking out just a pre-made kit, you get what you get type of deal. You're picking out what you want. So whether if you want air compressor suppressors, which pretty much will quiet down the compressor so there's not as much vibration in the trunk. So I was able to add this onto my kit. And then with your compressor, you can also like legit choose like if you want 1 or 2 and color. So with going with the color option, I love having pretty much everything. Like I want all of my stuff to be like I want blackout everything. So with my compressor, it's legit black. So it's gonna match everything. So that's something that bag riders gives you that option to have your own customization. So you can have your own setup. You don't have to have the same as everyone else. Your kit is your kit. So I appreciate that through bag riders. That is something that is just unbelievable. It's awesome. And then same thing with your tank. Like my tank, I just have my ports on my side. You can get a smaller tank. You can they have like a huge, I don't know how big it is, but it's a massive tank. And so if you just want to be able to not worry about always having to fill up your tank or whatever, you can run 2 compressors with a massive tank and never have to worry about running out of air. But in the end, it's totally up to you, to the buyer, what you want, and that's what's nice. So when I bought my kit, I was super happy with everything. It was quick. Bag riders killed it with delivery and everything, and they even messaged me because I made a post on Instagram saying how excited I am to be getting my package and all this stuff. And they were like, hey, let us know if you need anything. We're here to help. Whether if you need to call someone or you just need instructions with how to do something, we're here to help you. And that's something that I feel like a lot of brands probably don't do, but bag riders, they do that. So thank you guys. All right, thank you guys for checking out this video for bag riders, this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you could, please
Like, comment, subscribe, share this video to your friends and family. Share this video to your mammy, your pappy. Share this video to your dog. Have your dog share this video to his friends. We'd love to hear from you.
I don't know what was that, but yeah, you heard her. Please do it, and I'll catch you guys later. Zoink!